Hey everyone, it's Alina here, and today we're diving deep into the world of garlic. This little bulb, often found tucked away in our kitchens, is a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. But did you know that there are some common mistakes people make with garlic that can actually reduce its potency and even harm your health? That's right. From how you store it to how you cook it, seemingly small things can make a big difference when it comes to getting the most out of your garlic. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of this incredible ingredient, keep watching, because I'm about to reveal the 6 garlic mistakes you need to stop making right now. Okay, let's start with mistake number 1, storing garlic in the fridge. You know how garlic tends to sprout those little green shoots when it's been sitting in the fridge for a while? Well, those sprouts are a telltale sign that your garlic is starting to lose its flavor and those amazing health benefits. See, when garlic is stored in a cold, damp environment like the fridge, it encourages those sprouts to grow. And while those green shoots might look kind of cool, they actually draw energy away from the bulb, leaving it with a less pungent taste and fewer of the good stuff. So ditch the fridge and opt for a cool, dry, and well-ventilated spot for your garlic. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Now let's talk about pre-chopped garlic, the ultimate time saver, right? But here's the thing. While it might seem convenient, using pre-chopped garlic often means sacrificing a lot of its potency and health benefits. You see, when garlic is chopped or crushed, it releases a powerful compound called allicin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. However, allicin is pretty unstable and starts to degrade quickly when exposed to air and light. So, by the time you get your hands on that jar of pre-chopped garlic, it's likely lost a significant amount of its allicin content. For maximum freshness and benefits, stick to chopping or crushing your garlic right before using it. Your body will thank you for it. This next mistake might surprise you. Have you ever been in a rush while cooking and tossed your garlic into the pan immediately after chopping it? Well, as tempting as it is to save time, giving your garlic a little breather after chopping can actually boost its health benefits. Remember that amazing compound allicin I mentioned earlier? Well, it takes a few minutes for allicin to reach its full potential after garlic is chopped or crushed. So by giving your chopped garlic a rest for about 10 minutes before cooking, you give allicin time to form, maximizing its health-promoting properties. Let's talk about overcooking garlic. Now, we all know that garlic adds a wonderful flavor to dishes, but burning it can be a culinary tragedy, and not just for your taste buds. Overcooking garlic not only makes it taste bitter and unpleasant, but it can also destroy many of its beneficial compounds. Remember allicin? Well, it's quite sensitive to heat, and cooking garlic for too long or at high temperatures can cause it to break down. The key is to sauté garlic over low to medium heat, just until it's fragrant and lightly golden. Avoid high heat and keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. Let's face it, garlic powder can be super convenient. It's already ground, ready to go, and lasts a long time in the pantry. But when it comes to flavor and health benefits, nothing beats fresh garlic. Garlic powder is made from dehydrated garlic, and while it might retain some of its flavor, it loses a significant amount of its nutritional value during the drying process. Fresh garlic, on the other hand, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and those incredible sulfur compounds that give garlic its potent health protective properties. So ditch the powder and embrace the pungent goodness of fresh garlic. For centuries, garlic has been recognized for its medicinal properties. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's like a natural pharmacy in a bulb. Garlic contains compounds that can help boost your immune system, reduce blood pressure, and even fight off certain types of cancer cells. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a natural remedy for various ailments. So don't just think of garlic as a tasty addition to your dishes. Embrace it as a powerful ally in your pursuit of good health. So there you have it, the 6 garlic mistakes you need to stop making today. By avoiding these common blunders, you can unlock the full potential of this amazing ingredient and enjoy its incredible flavor and health benefits to the fullest. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. And if you know someone who loves garlic as much as I do, be sure to share this video with them.